Hello friend, now I will show you how to install the electronic. First, make a hole on the top side of the fuselage to make a electronic access. Then cut the foam at the tail section, exactly on the front of the vertical stabilizer. For the servo, here I am using 3.7 gram micro servo. Install the servo on the position like this. Install your pin horn and link cage stopper on the elevator. Make sure it's not blocking the way of the rudder. To install the pushrod, we need to make a little gap on the side of fuselage. Take a ruler to make a line about 5 cm. Cut it by the blade. Then use the pushrod to make a little gap there. Now, just install the pushrod on the servo to the elevator. Do the same thing for the rudder. When it's finished, it's gonna look like this. For the pushrod on the rudder, I'm using two holders so that the pushrod is stronger and doesn't warp when we move the servo. Now, we will install the motor. The motor that I use is 1806 size and make the firewall like this. Then prepare two pieces of foam. It's about 3 cm long and 2 cm wide. Glue the two pieces of foam together. Make a little test for the fit. Make sure it's fit and straight. When you're happy for the fit, then glue it in place. Make a test for the motor. Again, make sure it's straight. Then, glue the motor there. You can put more glue there so it's make it really strong joint. Make a hole on the bottom side to make a wire access. And last, install the propeller into the motor. Now we're gonna install the servo on the wing. Make a hole on the middle of the wing to make a wire access. Draw the servo on the foam so you get the servo size on the foam. Then cut it by the blade to make a place for the servo. It will look like this. Do the same thing for the other side. Then install the pin horn, stopper and push rod on the both sides of the wing. Install the electronic to the plane and connect it all. Here, I'm using 550 3-cell LiPo battery. Put the battery on and make a test for the CG. Now everything is connected. Let's do the maiden flight.